Here we come to the Scenic elevator at Tucson Mall in Tucson, Arizona. This is a Montgomery with red Innovation Universal. This used to be Innovation Prestige, but it was replaced with Universal. Unfortunately. I don't know. Is it coming down? It might just be busy. Here it is. I think there should be people in it. And I think it's here. It was modernized in the early 2000s.
Year. Okay, now I'm actually quite.
It's busy. Let's get our cab view. Scenic. So we'll go up to the UL and we'll look out the glass. Get it all to ourselves for the right app. Motor might have been replaced in this. Chimes used to work, but they don't anymore.
Leave him alone.
Going down?
Yeah, going down.
What are you recording here?
The elevators.
You're recording the elevators? Okay,
Yes.
dude. For a school project?
Yep.
What's it gonna signify?
Get me on there too, bro.
No.
Ruining
I'm not.
this fucking
No.
project, dude. Is this for science class?
Yeah.
What's the science behind this?
Just for fun, you know.
Just for fun?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, dude.
I enjoy doing it. Here we are on G.
Thank you, bud. Hope you get an A.
I will. Let's go up to UL again. Door close button works. Let's go on this side. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. ADA, I believe this is an ADA compliant foam. Yep, it's an ADA compliant foam. And here we are on 2. Nobody's here. Lanterns do not work. Let's get a view up here. Nope, does not work. Again, here's the call station again. Innovation Universal. Innovation Prestige inside. It's original to the Modernization. This is a slap-on mod, pretty much. Most of everything here is original. There I am. Hi. And there's my, there's the indicator. And Innovation Prestige fixtures. Let's give them one last view out the glass going up. And very nice cab. That light works, but the chime does not anymore. It used to have chimes. I don't know if they're disabled or not, but they don't work. Let's go up and look one last view out the glass. I believe the motor has been replaced. Here we are on 2. LED lights have replaced the original halogen ones. It's not too busy, so we'll end it up here. Anyways, here it goes. And that's gonna be it.